Hello everybody, how are you? I'm skiing just out from home. Of course, I'm always in Sweden, and in Sweden in March you expect the snow coming and covering all around here, all the landscape, all the land is really beautiful. And now I want to reach a point from which I can see really well the sunset here in this natural reserve that is called Hagadalen Nassen Reserve. And look at the sun, it's really spectacular. And you can ski just out from your home. It's something unbelievable. Unbelievable. There's so much peace all around here. Everyone is getting out to appreciate this beauty, the sunset with the skis or just by walking. It's incredible how they keep really well all these ski tracks, but even the foot tracks, the pathways. Yeah, it's really stunning, guys. I'm so glad and feel privileged to be here. Really grateful. Okay, so I go ahead. I may encounter some horses that are outside here. There is a place where they stay here, and some people come to ride horses in this particular in this natural reserve. So it's a very special spot, and to be here during the sunset, it's really amazing. Let's let's pick the sun, and that's it.